Okay, we've lived in Macungie a long time, and we've seen some winters with some snowbirds, but never like this. We have to have 100,000 snowbirds out here now, and they are still coming in. This is behind Allen, Oregon and Macungie. I don't know if you can hear it. If you can see that behind me, that is moving. That isn't white snow. That is all snowbirds with a couple Canadian geese moved in here. And yes, they are just still coming. Like, if this was Alfred Hitchcock. Oh, here they go. Oh boy, something got him. Here comes a train. Train got him going. Oh my. Don't shit on me, don't shit on me, don't shit on me, don't shit on me. Kind of freaky, kind of freaky. Kind of awesome, kind of awesome. Oh shit. Oh, this is so crazy. How do they not run into each other? Oh my God. This is right above my head, people. Again, these are snow geese, not like little baby finchy birds. Okay, as I am pretty sure I am encroaching frostbite, I'm going to go inside now. I hope you've enjoyed this as much as I have. This has been awesome! Time for some chowder!